Alright, so say you're working in a program like Maya here and you are moving things around, but you'll notice that the pivot point isn't quite in the right spot. And sometimes even you'll notice that when you're trying to move things around, it just doesn't work very well. So there's a couple things to do first. One is if you hit F, it'll focus on whatever's in the scene. If you click on the object and hit F, you'll notice that my pivot point is still kind of not in the right spot. The easy way to fix this is to hit Insert, and then you'll see that the Insert key here is like I can move this around. An easy way to do this is hold in V and then snap it to one of the vertices, and then from there you can kind of move it around where you need it to. Hit Insert again, and that will reset where the pivot point is. And so you'll notice now that whatever I do, I can focus around the object, right? So I can hit this, and now everything looks good. So make sure you hit V and make sure your pivot point's in the right place. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask, and I hope that helps.